In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into a Google Doc. This can be incredibly helpful if you have a PDF document that you need to edit or share with others for collaborative work. By converting it into a Google Doc, you can easily make changes and even collaborate in real time with others. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're on the path to smoother editing and sharing. To begin this task, you'll first need to head over to your Google Drive. Open your browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're there, it's important to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Having the right account ensures that you'll have access to the necessary files and the conversion will be seamless. Now that you're in Google Drive, locate the PDF document you want to convert. If you haven't already uploaded it, you can drag and drop the file from your computer directly into Drive, or click on the New button, then select File Upload to add your PDF. Once your document is uploaded, locate it in your Drive. A quick search at the top can help if your drive is packed with files. Once you've found your PDF, go ahead and right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options. What you want to do here is select the Open With option. When you hover over Open With, a submenu will appear. This is where Google Drive offers different ways you can open the file. From that menu, choose Google Docs. At this point, Google Drive's clever capabilities will kick in and it will start converting your PDF into a Google Doc. Keep in mind that depending on the complexity and size of your PDF, this may take a few moments. Once the conversion is completed, the PDF file will open as a new Google Docs document. Now, you might notice that some formatting or images might not appear exactly as they did in the original PDF. That's completely normal. PDFs often have intricate layouts, and Google Docs does its best to replicate these layouts in an editable format. Take some time to review the document and make any necessary adjustments as needed. And there you have it. Your PDF is now converted into a Google Doc. You can edit, share, and collaborate to your heart's content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enables you to manage your files more efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy editing.